Where does energy come from? Let us trace it back to the source. For a sapling to grow and unfold its leaves, it must obtain water. The water absorbed by its roots mainly comes from rain seeping into the soil. But where does rain come from? Rain comes from clouds that carry moisture in the sky. And where do clouds come from? Clouds are brought in by winds from the oceans. Then where does the wind come from? Wind is formed by the convection of hot and cold air currents on Earth. And how are hot and cold air currents formed? They arise from the Earth's surface, continuously gaining and losing heat energy from the sun as the Earth rotates, ignoring the gravitational pull of the moon and other factors. Then how did the Earth begin to rotate? And what force keeps it spinning without end? According to the law of conservation of energy, there can be no perpetual motion machine in the universe. Any movement or change in an object must be driven by one or several other forms of energy. Without energy, there can be no motion or change in anything. Therefore, at the root of all movements and changes, there must be an initial energy that is not constrained by any other force. That initial energy is the greatest creator. The Earth's earliest rotation was set in motion by the energy of the greatest creator. Once set into motion, its rotation has been maintained by the gravitational influences of other celestial bodies in the solar system, including comets,